Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 235 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to do it, press the down button right here. Once you open the menu, scroll through it by using the up or down buttons and look for the option called the settings. Once you find the settings and select it, press the start or action button to enter. Here, scroll down, find the option called the system. Once you find it and select it, press the start button to enter. And here, scroll down and find the option called the restore defaults, select it and press the start button to enter. Now select yes, press the start button to confirm and wait until the factory reset is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.